Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's high-lift jack mount for the rear seat of Jeep's XJ Cherokee. Step 1. Open your vehicle and push down the rear seat. Just below the seat belt hanger, locate the driver and passenger side seat rail brackets. With an 8mm socket, remove the 3 bolts and set them aside to be reused in the next step. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 2. The mounting brackets are driver and passenger side specific and can be identified by the shape of their mounting plates. Place the mounting plate in between the vehicle and the seat bracket and secure them both with the same 3 bolts from the previous step with an 8mm socket. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 3. Begin orienting your jack by placing the foot on the passenger side bracket. Mount it by lining up the foot and bracket holes and inserting the 2 included 1-inch bolts, washers, lock washers, and wing nuts. Repeat this on the driver's side with a 2-inch bolt, while setting either the bolt to length by sliding it through the rail or by adjusting the length of the jack itself. And you're done.